Quant did a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another quant analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on quant, we have successfully broken this major resistance level here at 125. Yesterday, I didn't make a video because of the fact that we were still hovering right in between those levels, and quant really didn't do that much of a move set, so it was kind of the same analysis. As of right now, though, we have a beautiful confirmation above the exponential moving averages with two very strong bullish engulfing candles. This is exactly what I was looking for in terms of a strong bullish momentum, because I mentioned this to you guys in yesterday's video, or rather 2 days ago, that what we don't want to see is a bullish candle followed by a bearish engulfing candle. You can see in terms of previous price analysis, we had that same opportunity happening multiple times. As of right now, though, we have a beautiful bullish engulfing candle actually breaking above and grabbing that liquidity, followed by the exponential moving averages as support. We could be looking for a massive move on quant. So now the question is going to be, what's next? Well, of course, if we can get above this wick right over here at the 138 level, we will be heading into that 144 resistance and then the consolidation range. Whether or not from the bullish case scenario, of course, is that we can get above this level and actually use it as support, quant will be looking for an extremely large move to the upside, because of the fact that this is the inverse bar formation, right? I've mentioned this formation to you guys pretty much back over here when we were testing at $99, that if quant can get above this 125 level, this inverse bar formation will be at play. Now, it's going to be very important, of course, from the 4-hour perspective, for quant to actually take control of this 144 level for that theory to be validated. In terms of a bearish case scenario, if we did get a wick above and obviously grab that liquidity and those rejection, then we start moving towards the downside. We could be looking for an overall move set back down to the $99 mark. But as you guys know from my previous price analysis, that $99 mark doesn't really hold much weight anymore, because this would become the third test. I did mention, of course, in many of my other videos that we could be looking for a very large short squeeze for the crypto market to bounce, because of the fact that everything was in that oversold state. There were too many over leveraged positions. So I mentioned that we could be looking for a very nice move on the cryptocurrencies and then grabbing that liquidity for a bull trap and then the continuation. Of course, my overall levels are still going to be around that $87 and a worst extreme level at 42, but I'm very curious to see how this level is going to react once we head into the 144. The reason why is the 144 is a very crucial resistance point is because of the fact that it was a very strong support point. You can see from previous price analysis as well, we actually tested this level multiple times before we finally had that huge explosive move and that breakout. And again, we retested it as confirmation. That's exactly what we're looking for right now, is if we do get a break above this level and find it as that support and that continuation, that would give us the confirmation for that long position. From the bearish case, of course, if we do continue pushing on forward and then start to see this level as resistance, that would give us a confirmation for the shorting opportunity. Right now, though, in terms of 4-hour, you can see that quant is in that overbought territory, so entering that level is going to be very, very crucial. If we do enter, of course, near these levels with overbought territory, we could be looking for that pullback opportunity, possibly back down to the 125. I want to see a 125 retest as support and that continuation, because that would validate that this is in fact not a fake out and a continuation move. We have to keep in mind, of course, that now we are entering the weekend, so we will be seeing a lack of liquidity as well as more volatility. On the hourly time frames, you can see that quant is having that beautiful continuation above, finding these exponential moving averages as support. But again, we are starting to see the same thing, right? We have an overbought level, so keep in mind when you are trading to look for that pullback opportunity and then the continuation. If we go over here on the daily time frames, you can see we had a very explosive move, and now the exponential moving averages are overlapping each other, so we could be looking for a beautiful continuation on quant. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.